Ryan, you tell them.
It's a 396.
There you go. Our next Super Chevy Dream Giveaway. You asked for it. We beat the last package with one even better. A 1969 L78 396 375 horsepower 69 Camaro Rally Sport Super Sport 396 convertible. Show them, PJ. Let's hear it, everybody. Woo.
So, yeah, not only is it convertible, but it's a stick too, right?
Right. You guys said, get us a 4-speed, get us a convertible, get the best in the world. Well, we got it for you right here. L78 4-speed RSSS convertible, and that's just half of the grand prize. Now, to see the other half of the grand prize, you have to stay up until midnight tonight, Eastern Time, and you'll see it on our website. I will tell you, though, and this might give it away, there's only one way to get a Chevelle better than an LS5 in 1970, and that's all I'm saying. Open it, Ryan.
Are we ready to fire this up?
Yeah, we're going to fire up the Camaro. This thing sounds gnarly. All right, PJ, what's the reaction out there?
Mike Brown says, love the interior of the Camaro.
It's amazing, right?
Ivory houndstooth interior.
It's...
And get ready for this. Power window car, tilt wheel car, full console instrumentation car.
How do I tilt it?
Show them, Ryan.
Roger says, I now have a new favorite rag top.
Nice.
There you go, power top, absolutely the best in the world, because you guys are the best when you help out those 9 great charities at dreamgiveaway.com. And if you think this is incredible, you have to stay awake until midnight tonight and go to dreamgiveaway.com.
Absolutely.
While you're go a few minutes early, get your entries for the Harleys, wait till midnight, and wait till you see what this is paired with.
I'm excited to show them.
I'm excited too. Maybe we'll show you guys. Well, I probably can't tomorrow, but we'll know who the winner is for the silver cars tomorrow. And look at this, SS hood on there with the simulated stacks. One more shot of that engine, huh? Did you hear that thing roar, Ryan?
I love it.
Absolutely.
Said best sound ever.
Best sound
It
ever.
is the
Big
best.
block Chevy. Backed by a Muncie M21 4-speed, posi track on the rear, loaded with options. Amazing, amazing car. It's our 2025 Super Chevy Dream Giveaway. It launches tomorrow at dreamgiveaway.com. All right, guys.
And they're on Facebook right now, so we're running a special right now. You got 6X, so there's promo codes that are out there for 6X, so make sure you guys check those things out. This will be available tomorrow for you guys to get your tickets to win. 6X, Labor Day's coming up. It's going to be a great weekend.
Get entries for all your favorite giveaways all Labor Day weekend long, and keep using that 6X promo code because it'll be good through Labor Day at midnight.
Yep.
All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. More great fun, more great action. Ryan, thanks for hanging out with us today.
I'm doing it for my mom. Hi, Mom.
See you tomorrow.